Hi, it's Mark Stover with Permacom. I'm at a light commercial job site here in Northwest Indiana. I want to talk to you briefly about what we're doing here. This is an add-on building. It's a 50 by 90 building, 12-footer. It's added on to a Polaris dealership. Business is really good for him. He called Meyer Building and says, hey, I want to add on to it. And Meyer Building is a post frame pole barn builder. And thus, we're putting in a pole barn constructed building. Now, because of code, they've had to use an insulated trench foundation, which is a perfect match for poured footings and our Perma-Column. This is our Permacom 6300, which is a 2x6 3-ply post. As you can see, goes up 12 feet. The advantages, of course, the post frame, it's very economical, it's fast, it's thermally efficient, and from an aesthetic standpoint, it just really looks good. It's a perfect match for what this business owner wanted. Now, he had choices. He could have gone to brick, he could have gone to block, he could have gone to steel, he could have gone to framing, stud framing, but he chose post frame for the reasons that I stated before, which is the economics, the speed, and the aesthetics, and the structural integrity and the values associated. Now, as we all know, Permacoms are ICC certified. They are designed to meet international building codes as well as international residential codes. It is a patented product, so it's only available through Permacom technical licensed distributors, which are located throughout the United States. We build better, we build stronger, and we build to last.